We have a fantastic starter kit that is due to go out today, and this is what it looks like. So inside you've got all of these fabulous colours just to get you started. You've also got the mat, you've got your finger protector hidden in there as well. You've got a needle holder and 5 felting needles, and then all of these colours to make whatever you want. But what if you want to make some animals? Well, as you know, here at the TheFeltBox, Hazel loves bright colours. So you could make one of these. How cute's that? Or you can use the other colours that are more animal traditional animal colours. So, as you can see, you've got the core wool in the middle. That's this colour. So you'd use this just for the middle, and then you add the colours to it. And you can add any colours you want. Obviously, I preferred the pink one. Then, what colours can we use? How about this beautiful brown, maybe for a horse or a cow or some trees? And then we've got the grey. So maybe you're making a fluffy little bunny rabbit or a sheep, or maybe a colour of a cow or a horse. Of course, you're going to need your black. And even though this guy is desperate to get in here, we've also got another shade of brown. As you can see, it's slightly different, so you can have different shades of colours in all of your animals. Then we have the fox. The beautiful rust colour makes for the perfect colour for a fox. And of course, as a beginner, you're going to need one of these as well. These are all the things that are included in the starter pack, but you can pick your own colour wool. So, whether you're looking to pick your own colours or use some bright colours, create something bright, colourful and beautiful, like this little guy, then let us know. Which colour would you choose? Would you go for the browns and the beautiful traditional nature colours, or would you be more Hazel and go for the bright colours?